Students, today we are going to discussing about the probability tree about the tree diagram. Hopefully at the end of this meeting you can understand all the material about tree diagram, especially probability for one of the cases. Okay, question number 1, ready? So this is the question 1. Anna and Rose take the driving test on the same day. The probability of Anna passing her driving test is 0.7. The probability of both Anna and Rose passing is 0.5. Work out the probability of Rose passing his driving test and work out the probability of both Anna and Rose failing their driving test. Okay, based on the question that we have two cases, right? The first is Anna's test, and the second is Rose's test. Is it clear, everyone? Now we're going to draw a tree diagram based on this problem. Okay. Okay, so then let's say this one is Anna's test. This is Anna. Okay. And the second is Rose test. Okay. And then we're going to construct or build the second tree diagram here. From here. Okay. And then we're going to name here. Let's say this one is pass. This one is fail. Right? And this one is pass, this one is fail. Here is pass, this one is fail. Okay, for the construction of the diagram, we have a question. No? Is it clear, Mama? Once again, Anna and Rose take their driving test on the same day. The probability of Anna passing her driving test is 0.7. The probability of Anna passing her driving test is 0.7. Okay, so we're going to write first about the probability of Anna. The probability of Anna is here is 0.7. Right? This one, right? The probability of both, this one, Anna and Rose passing is 0.35. Look at here, the outcome. The first outcome is pass. The second is pass, fail. The third is fail, pass. And the fourth is fail. Is it clear, everyone? The probability of Anna passing his drive is 0.7. Done here, right? The probability of both Anna and Rose passing is 3.35. Right here. 3.35. But for this one, we don't know anymore. This is the question, right? Okay. The question one is where are the probability of row passing this one? This is the question, right? Can you answer how many probabilities row passing his driving test? This one? No?
Yang mana, sir?
This one, right? This is the question, right? This is the question. Work out the probability of bro passing his driving test. This one, right?
Yeah.
Okay, this one. Okay, sudah. Probability of Anna times probability of Rho, right, is 0.35 for Anna. Is it clear? Probability of Anna passing his driving test times probability of Rho passing his driving test is 0.35. Is it clear, everyone? Is it clear? Probability
Yes.
of Anna passing his her driving test is 0.7. But Rho unknown, right? Probability of Rho, you don't know. The probability is 0.31. So the probability of Rho passing its driving test is 0.35 divided by 0.7. So the answer is 0.5. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes.
Here? Any question? Okay, now we're going to complete the tree diagram because we already got for Anna passing the driving test, and then Rho already we got the information of the probability for the Rho passing the driving test. Okay, now we're going to complete the tree diagram here. Here is 3.5. Correct? Okay, go. How many here? 0.7 here is
0.3.
0.3. And then how many here?
0.5.
Is it? So how many here? How the probability of Rho test?
0.5.
0.5. Because same case. And here is 0.5.
0.5 too.
Clear? Okay. B. Work out the probability of both Anna and Rho failing the driving test. This one. Anna and Rho failing their driving test. This one. So means failing Anna times failing Rho. Right? So the outcome is FF. Right? The outcome is FFF. So what is the direction? This one is the direction, right? Failing and then failing. Is it clear? Is it correct?
Yes.
Once again, this is the direction of failing, FF. Failing. And then failing. Clear? So we name this one double F, FF, failing, right? So the probability of both failing is Okay, now we're going to insert the number. Failing of NS driving test 0.3. Failing of road fail to driving test is 0.5. So the probability is
0.15.
0.15 or 15 over 100, right?
Yeah.
0.15. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes.
I think 3 diagrams very easy, right? 3 diagrams. Okay, this is the second question. There are 12 counters in the back, 7 are blue and the rest are green. Sam takes out the counter from the bag at random time without replacement. Okay, without replacement. Is it clear what without replacement? When you took one counter, please don't put it back again. Don't put it back to let's say to the back, right? When you took one counter from the back, means don't put it back to the counter. Is it clear? We call that without replacement. Okay, now we're going to solve this question, number 1. Okay. Next. Okay. Okay. Here. Okay. First counter. The first counter. The second counter. The second counter. Okay. In the first counter, there are how many here in the back? 7 blue and
5
green.
green.
Right? Okay. Let's say the first picking here is blue. This one green. So we have 2 cases, right? Blue and green. For the second, blue and green. Blue and green. Is it clear, everyone? Now the outcome, everyone, the outcome. Okay, we have the outcome here. So we're going to write here. Okay, the first outcome is BB, blue blue. The second is blue green, right? The third is green blue, and the last is green blue. Clear, everyone? Okay, clear? Okay, now I'm going to find the probability when the first picking is blue. How many here? So I'm going to take the top. Okay. The probability when we take one blue. How many probability here? Probability 7 over 12, right? And here is 5 over 12. Is it correct, everyone?
Yes.
Okay, go. Now we have a new composition here. Here is because we took one blue. The new composition here what? 6 blue, 5 green, right? Here, because we took green, right? So 7 blue,
4 green.
4 green. Okay, clear everyone? Now we're going to find the probability when we go to the second picking or second taking. Okay, now the probability is blue here. How many here? How many? The probability blue is
6 over 11.
Green 5 over 11. Now here we took 7 over 11. And here is 4 over 11. Clear everyone?
Yes.
Okay. What about the probability for the same color? Is it? The same color will go to blue, blue, and green, green, right? Right? Right. The same color is this one. Blue, blue. And this one. Green, green, right? Green, green. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, now we're going to find the probability for blue, blue. For blue, blue, how many probability here? We're going to, what is the probability of blue, blue? The probability of blue, blue is 7 over 12 times 6 over 11, right?
Yes.
Okay, but this one here, 5 over 12 times 4 over 11. Is it correct, everyone?
Yes.
So, the answer is one here.
7 over 22.
42 over 132.
Yeah.
Okay, and this one is 20 over 132. Right? Is it clear?
Yeah.
So the probability for the same color is, we do this one, 42 over 132 plus 20 over 132. So the answer is 62 over 132. Do you have any question, everyone? Is it clear?
Yes. Yes.
Very good. Do you need another question? For example?
Like example.
Example?
Lagi, sir. Tapi yang sama kayak PR gitu.
Yours is very easy, right? Oh my god.
Susah.
Yang PR susah, sir.
Susah banget.
Okay, we go to number 3. There we go to number 3. Nathania, there are 14 footballs in a bag. 9 have a blue pattern design and the rest have green pattern design. The coach takes out the ball out from the bag, a random bag, without replacement. Takes out another one. Is the coach more likely to pick out 2 balls that are the same color or 2 that are different colors? You want to show your workings? Give your answer in a simple form. Now we're going to construct 3 diagrams. We have to build 3 diagrams. Okay? Okay, we're going to this is the construction. Right? So what is the title? Here. The title here, what?
9 blue and
No, the title
Fine.
here. So this one is automatically here is blue, right? Blue.
yeah.
Sorry. This one is blue. Right? And the rest is green. This one is blue. This is green. This is blue. This is green. Right? Right. The outcomes: blue, blue. This one is blue, green. Here is green, blue. There is green, green. Right, this is the outcome. This, now the title here, what? What's the title here? Let's say the first ball, right? The first ball.
Sir, tapi kalau misalnya di depannya aku tulis 9B sama...
It's okay. It's okay.
Nggak apa-apa.
It's okay. Because you wrote the composition, right? To avoid any mistake, right? It's okay.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, go. For the new composition here, you can write here the new composition, right? So make to avoid any mistake. The new composition is on here. 9 blue and 5 green, right?
5 green.
Okay, this is the composition. Now we're going to find the probability for someone here. When we take blue here, the probability is
9 over 14.
14. So here is 5 or 5 over 14, right? Yes? Yes? Okay, now the composition here. Because we took one blue, so here is 8 blue, right?
Yes.
And
5
5 green.
Yes.
5 green, right? Good. And here?
9 blue.
Green?
9 blue and 4 green.
9 blue and 4
green.
Okay, everyone? Nine blue and
4 green.
4 green. Okay. Now we are going to complete the tree diagram. For the second thing here, how many the probable? Oh, what is the probability of blue here?
8 over.
8 over 13, right?
Yes.
And here is
5
over
3.
Okay, this one. Blue
9 over 3.
over 13. And here is 4 over 13.
13.
Okay, clear everyone? Now we're going to find the probability for both outcomes. For blue is 9 over 15, right? And blue green 9 over 14 times 5 over 13. Green blue 5 over 14 times 9 over 13. And green is 5 over 14 times 4 over 13. Okay? Okay. 182. So here is 72 over 1. Raising 182. Here is 45 over 182. 1 and here is 45 over 180. And here is 20 over 180. Okay. Okay, go to the question. Okay. The question is pick out two balls that are the same color. Okay. So now we go to the same color. For the same color, means blue and green. Is it?
Yes.
So the answer for blue is 72 over 182 plus and green is 20 over 182. So the answer is 92 over 182. Is it clear? Okay, now for the different color. For the different color. Different. Different color is blue, green, and green, blue. Right. So the answer is 45 over 182 plus 45 over 182. Right? So the answer is 90 over 182. Okay. Very easy, right?
From John Paul School, and I will start my 7th grade this year. I've joined QPC course since January 2020 with Mr. Jasper as my course tutor. Mr. Jasper did not only teach me the proper techniques of both maths and mathematica, but he teach me how to learn independently and how to stick into a problem to find ways of solving it. The course materials were good and it's based on my school curriculum. And the mentor approaching is also good. During the pandemic of COVID-19, we studied via the internet and it's also good. And I think Mr. Jasper is very good and it's a solid course. I learned a lot. Thanks, sir.
Hai, nama saya Cassius Nathanael. Saya adalah seorang siswa kelas 6 SD Penabur Harapan Indah Bekasi. Les di bimbel QPC sangat menyenangkan karena konsepnya fun learning. Cara mengajarnya pun asik dan tidak membosankan. Selama les di bimbel QPC, saya menjadi lebih mudah untuk mengerjakan soal-soal matematika. Karena di sini kita akan diberikan rumus-rumus jitu yang mudah dipelajari. Oke? Salam.
Halo, salam pelajar. Nama saya Pascual Clayton. Saya siswa Kolese Canisius angkatan 21. Saya di sini untuk memberi testimoni saya mengenai proses belajar saya di QPC selama masa karantina lockdown ini. Pertama, jelas belajarnya jadi lebih susah karena harus belajar online. Namun, saya berterima kasih mempunyai QPC untuk membimbing saya melewati perjalanan belajar online saya. Saya sama sekali belum familiar dengan proses belajar online. Saya sangat perlu bimbingan dan saya berterima kasih akan adanya QPC di situ untuk membimbing saya. Nilai saya pun akhirnya berhasil kekejar. Nilai saya yang 60 menjadi nilai 80 dan nilai saya yang 80 menjadi nilai 90. Itu adalah mata pelajaran IPA tuh. Jadi selama proses belajar online ini akhirnya kekejar juga nilai saya. Itu in part sangat besar karena bimbingan Sir Jasper dan QPC. Setiap malam kami belajar bersama untuk mempersiapkan diri untuk esok pagi belajar online. Jadi nilainya aman selama belajar online ini di QPC. semuanya aman dan bahkan lebih meningkat kalau di kasus saya. Sekian dari saya, terima kasih. Salam pelajar.